Hey everyone, have you noticed the increasing demand for renewable energy sources in Pakistan lately? It seems like more and more people are looking for sustainable solutions to combat rising electricity costs in the country. Introduction. Today, we're diving into the topic of installing a 5 kW solar system in Pakistan. We'll explore the potential benefits it can bring to households and the environment. Presentation of problem/challenge. Let's address the elephant in the room. Frequent power outages and soaring electricity bills are major challenges faced by many households in Pakistan. These issues not only disrupt daily life but also take a toll on the monthly budget. Exploration/development. So, what exactly is a 5 kW solar system? Well, it consists of solar panels, inverters, and batteries that work together to convert sunlight into electricity. The installation process is relatively straightforward, and once up and running, this system can provide a reliable source of energy for your home. In Pakistan, the expected energy output from a 5 kW solar system is substantial, especially given the country's ample sunlight. Climax/key moment. Now, here's the exciting part, let's talk money. While the initial investment in a 5 kW solar system may seem significant, the long-term savings on electricity bills make it a worthwhile investment. Imagine significantly reducing or even eliminating your monthly electricity expenses. It's a game changer. Conclusion/summary. To sum it up, investing in a 5 kW solar system in Pakistan offers numerous advantages. Not only does it provide a reliable source of energy and reduce dependency on the grid, but it also contributes to a greener environment by reducing carbon emissions. It's a win-win situation for both homeowners and the planet. Call to action, CTA. If you're intrigued by the idea of solar energy solutions in Pakistan, I encourage you to explore more on our channel. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, we'd love to hear from you. Together, let's power up Pakistan with solar energy.